Google Maps is a powerful tool that can be used for a variety of purposes, including making money. Here are a few ideas for how to make $250 per week with Google Maps. Method 1. Become a local guide. Local guides are a group of volunteers who contribute their local knowledge to Google Maps. They add photos, reviews, and other information to help people find and explore businesses. Local guides can earn points for their contributions, which can be redeemed for rewards, such as Google Play credit and discounts on Google products. To become a local guide, you need to have a Google account and be at least 18 years old. You can then download the Local Guides app and start contributing. Method 2. Start a local business listing. If you have a local business, you can create a listing on Google Maps. This will make your business more visible to people who are searching for businesses in your area. To create a listing, you need to have a Google account and be the owner or manager of the business. You can then follow the instructions on Google My Business to create a listing. Method 3. Offer your services as a location scout. If you have a good eye for locations, you can offer your services as a location scout. Location scouts are hired by filmmakers, photographers, and other professionals to find locations for filming, photo shoots, and other events. To offer your services as a location scout, you need to have a portfolio of your work and be familiar with the area where you want to work. Method 4. Create and sell custom maps. If you have a knack for creating maps, you can create and sell custom maps. Custom maps can be used for a variety of purposes, such as marketing, education, and tourism. To create and sell custom maps, you need to have graphic design skills and be familiar with mapping software. Method 5. Develop a Google Maps app. If you have programming skills, you can develop a Google Maps app. Google Maps apps can be used for a variety of purposes, such as providing directions, finding businesses, and exploring new places. To develop a Google Maps app, you need to have programming skills and be familiar with the Google Maps platform. These are just a few ideas for how to make $250 per week with Google Maps. With a little creativity and effort, you can find a way to use this powerful tool to make money. One way to potentially make money using Google Maps is by creating and promoting a local business. If you own a business, ensuring accurate information, encouraging positive reviews, and utilizing Google My Business features can attract more customers. Additionally, you could explore affiliate marketing or offer location-based services, leveraging the visibility provided by Google Maps. Always comply with Google's policies and guidelines. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for making money with Google Maps. Be consistent with your contributions. The more you contribute to Google Maps, the more likely you are to be successful. Be patient. It takes time to build a reputation and start making money. Be creative. There are many ways to make money with Google Maps. Don't be afraid to think outside the box. Promote your business. Let people know that you offer Google Maps services. With hard work and dedication, you can achieve your goal of making $250 per week with Google Maps. Thanks for watching.